ready to use our CanCooker here. I haven't used it out camping yet, so this will be our first attempt. And then what we're creating or cooking is going to be the clam bake, but I've got plenty of modifications for it. So,
and corn!
And corn, yes. We're going to be putting corn in it. Preston is taking care of shucking the corn, and that's going to go into the CanCooker first. How's it going over there, bud?
It's too hard.
Too hard? Need a little bit of help?
Yeah.
Okay.
So splattered. We are cooking these corns. The reason we are going to have much fun to eat these corns.
I got them set up correctly.
So now the corns are going to be cooking all the time. And it's done the corns.
Is it ready?
Yep.
You got them all in there?
Yep.
Oh, that was fast.
It does one more.
Okay. Say cheese. Got it.
Okay. Hey guys, but this is so cool, but we're going to play in here. Wow, so horrible. What the heck? There's a big drum. How about in? That is yes.
Yeah, put it in.
Put
Put them all in.
All
of them.
Why?
Because that's what we're cooking. Except for that one.
Why?
Because it's going to need cleaned.
I know, it can drop off that way. In the same place now. All the place. What the heck?
Corn fell over, didn't it?
Yep. I keep on falling over. Oh, there's more. And now for that, we have to get the other one washed and put in. Right?
Mm-hmm. We'll wash it and put it in there.
All done?
All done.
And put it all in.
The whole stick.
Why?
Because the recipe calls for a whole stick of butter. Good job. That was easy, wasn't it? Preston is now adding in the white wine.
Yep. It's taking forever.
Yeah, it's going to take a little time because of the type of bottle we got. Here's what it's looking like so far. Corn, potatoes, butter, sausage, and now white wine vinegar. Ooh, not on the furniture.
Oh my gosh.
You gotta hold still there, dude.
I know.
Well, hold still. Pay attention to what you're doing.
Can't work.
It's working. Did it cover?
No.
There you are. Good job, buddy.
So cool, but better got on me.
So we steamed the corn potatoes for 25 minutes, and now we're adding the seafood. We've got one lobster tail, shrimp, and a couple of crab legs to test out this recipe. To finish up with seasonings, we added some original seasoned salt and the Old Bay seasoning. We will be cooking and eating very soon. And here is our finished product.
Yep.
2 goofy boys and a pot full of seafood.
Wow.
And potatoes and corn and sausage.
Crab. Great. I might taste it.
We will taste it. Watch for more CanCooker recipes as we learn to cook with our CanCooker. Thank you for joining us. From our family to yours, a big hug, and we will see you on our next escapade.